Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that Marisa needs to hire at least 10 staff members for an upcoming project. The staff will be made up of junior directors who will be paid $640 per week, and senior directors who will be paid $880. Her total budget for the week is $9,700, and she must hire at least 3 junior directors and at least 1 senior director. And we're asked to create a system of equalities where X is the number of junior directors and Y is the number of senior directors. So let X equal the number of juniors and Y be the number of seniors. So we need to hire at least 10 staff members in total. So the number of members must be at least 10. So at least means it can be greater than 10 or equal to 10, but it has to be at least equal 10. And so the total number of members is going to be the number of junior members plus the number of senior members. So X plus Y has to be greater than or equal to 10. So looking through our options, B has this as one of the inequalities, so B is good. And C has one of these as the inequalities. A and D have X plus Y is less than or equal to 10, which is not what we're looking for. So A and D are out. So we are told that the staff must have at least 3 junior directors. So the number of junior directors is X, and that must be at least 3. So it has to be greater than 3 or equal to 3, but the minimum is 3. So this is another one of our inequalities. This is our first one, and this is our second one that we found. And of B and C, which are only 2 remaining, B has X is greater than or equal to 3, that's good. But C has X is less than or equal to 3. It doesn't have this one, so we know B must be our answer. We don't have to check our third and our fourth inequalities. We know, because of process of elimination, that B is our final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.